The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, that came to my attention that a motor vehicle caught on fire on Eastwood Park Road, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that this had happened on the 16th of October 2020, sometime in the afternoon. You understand? Now, according to reports, it is said that the driver of the vehicle that caught on fire could not be found at that time. Now, I do not have any confirmed information if they had located the driver of the vehicle after a certain time had passed. But I'm just telling you according to what had been said in reports out there about the incident. You see? Now, I'm going to present to you two pieces of audios so that you can get a better understanding about this whole thing where it said that a car caught on fire on Eastwood Park Road. You see me? And according to reports, the person that you're going to hear in these two pieces of audios is said to be a person who goes by the name of Valerie Dixon, who is a deputy superintendent attached to York Park Fire Station within the country of Jamaica. Now, take a listen and observe.
So we received a call at 2:19 p.m. for a car on fire Eastwood Park Road in the vicinity of the St. Andrew Parish Church. No, they were not able to locate the driver of the Nissan Dualis.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmed information about any fatalities. You see it? But I want you to please bear in mind that there might be more information about this whole incident that happened. You understand? And also please bear in mind that I'm only explaining to you according to how I understand some things that have been said in reports out there about the incident. Now, I'm going to put pieces of videos together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding about the incident that happened where it is said that a car caught on fire at Eastwood Park Road, St. Andrew, Jamaica. In these pieces of videos, you're going to see many persons and you're going to also see a car on fire, and you're going to see when a team of firefighters arrived at the scene of the incident. You see? I'm presenting these pieces of videos to you so that you can have a better understanding. You can have a look at these pieces of videos. You can also tell me what you think and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I know the fire truck not reach. I look at the station there. I'm joking this. A man dead down the road, watch it. Watch it, it's a dead man dead down there, you know. In the plaza down there, you know. Dead man down there, sir? Yeah. Man killing. Watch it. Smacking the nigga off a tree. Electrical problem that, you know. See there?
Reach the gas stop. No, it reached the gas stop.
Yo, man, that's
yo, don't wanna ball, don't wanna scream out. Look what me said.
Everything. And you gone for a different fire.
So when I'm saying fire truck gone.
The fire gone for a one fire truck over there gone for a different. The one you live in now. The one you live in now. It's crazy. crazy, yo. It's crazy. Lady a ball like crazy, yo. Watch it. The show are going off a tree. Watch it. Watch it. Crowd. Now the middle of a tree. Smacking. The telephone wire bumbuckle. A cable and wireless that. Internet wire that. Internet wire that. $27. No, them have to do it, you know. To them job, them have to do it. So water the pan now. I'm wait up them car first. Yeah. No, them have to wait up them there. Them have to wait up them there. Something like that.
Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the incident caused a traffic pileup, and it is said that the firefighters were able to put out the fire. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posting and let you know what's going on. Alright, so you can let me know what you think about some of the things that you saw in these pieces of videos. You can let me know what you think about the whole incident, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where